I am Dr. Ajay Bapna. I am Director and Head of the Department of Medical Oncology at Bhagwan Mahavir Cancer Hospital and Research Center, which is situated at Jaipur. So today what I am going to discuss is the paper which was published in International Journal of Molecular Immunology Oncology, year 2021, volume 7, issue 1, in the month of January to April. The title of my article was Outcome in Patients of Hormone Receptor Positive and HER2 Negative Metastatic Breast Cancer Treated with the Palbociclib, a Real World Experience. So what we did is that we see a large volume of breast cancer patients in our hospital, and there was real enthusiasm in putting the hormone receptor positive metastatic breast cancer in these patients from the very inception and the launch of this newer molecule palbociclib, which is a CDK4/6 inhibitor. So we started putting patients from 2016, and so far we have put nearly 130 patients on this molecule, but we have published in this journal our initial experience of 68 odd patients. So initially we had put patients on first line, second line, third line, and as well as in the fourth line. And we have analyzed our data, and which was published in this journal. And we were surprised to see that the data of our institute, which was the real world data, was almost similar to what was published in the international journals of the other real world data as well as the trial data also. The progression free survival in comparison to the endocrine therapy alone was almost doubled in our patients also. But this benefit was not gained if we had put the patients on second line, third line as well as in the fourth line. So the maximum benefit of this drug, what we have achieved, is in the first line, and in first line also mainly in the patients who had only bone metastasis, though we got the encouraging results in the visceral disease also. So by the time of publication of this article, we had not put any patient on the visceral crisis. So based on the encouraging results of all this real world data, we have started putting these patients in our visceral crisis patients also, who are in very good general condition. Looking at the progression free survival of all our patients in the first line as well as in the second line and beyond, we find that it's better to put palbociclib in the first line to get the maximum benefit in the progression free survival rather than in the second line or the third line. So this is my message to all my fellow colleagues in India, that it's sooner the better concepts for this molecule, and you will get the desirable results, and you will be able to offer a good quality of patients to all these patients of hormone receptor positive metastatic breast cancer who are HER2 negative as well.